What's up YouTube? My name is Nick. Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm glad you're all here. I'm gonna share a very important tip. You're not gonna wanna miss it. When drilling through wood, a lot of people make a big mistake. I'm gonna share this very important tip with you that's gonna save you a lot of time and a lot of money. Stay tuned. Drilling a hole through wood. I watch a lot of people make this mistake, and I'm gonna show you what the mistake is, and I'm gonna teach you how not to make the mistake and show you how to drill a perfect hole. What we're gonna use to drill the hole is a spade bit, okay? A spade bit is gonna cut a nice clean hole, whatever size dimension you need through the wood. What I have here is the Bosch Daredevil spade bit. You can see by this spade bit, it has a screw tip. It's gonna drill right through the wood. It's gonna grab, it's gonna pull through, and it has sharp tips on each edge. These are some of the best spade bits you can buy. I would suggest using this Bosch Daredevil spade bit to drill your hole. Now, there's not only the Bosch Daredevil spade bits, there's also lesser spade bits, cheaper spade bits, and I'm gonna show you those and I'm gonna show you the difference. So what I have here is the Hercules spade bit, okay? You can see it still has the screw tip, which is nice. It's gonna cost a little less than the Bosch Daredevils, but it's lesser quality. You can see by the tips on the edges, they're not gonna cut as sharp as the Bosch Daredevil. Will these Hercules spade bits do the job? Yes. Will they do it as nice as the Bosch Daredevil? No, not at all. I'm gonna teach you a simple tip that's gonna yield the same results as the Bosch Daredevil. It'll get you a clean hole, but you're getting away with using a lesser brand like the Hercules. This tip will even work with these Walmart brand spade bits. These are hyper tough spade bits. You can look at these and just see the quality is so much less. It doesn't have the screw tip. The edges aren't as sharp. So we're gonna drill a 3/4 inch hole through the wood using all the different types of bits. And I'm gonna show you the difference. This is the 3/4 inch Bosch Daredevil spade bit. We're gonna drill right through this 2x4. We're on the drill setting. We're on high speed. We're going straight through the wood. Now watch this. I wanna show you something. Do you see what happened as I came through the wood? I'm gonna show you in slow motion. But the other side of that wood is blown out. There's what's called tear out on that other side. Look at that, it blew out a whole chunk of that 2x4. That's ugly, that's not good. So here we go, let's see it in slow-mo. Watch the tear out, that's tear out. That is the wrong way to drill a hole through wood. I'm gonna let you know right now, but I'm gonna show you the right way. We've done the Bosch Daredevil spade bit, so now we're gonna use the Hercules spade bit and see what happens with the Hercules. Faster, but there's still a lot of tear out on the other side of that hole. Let's see what happens with the Walmart bit. Wow, you see that? Oh my goodness. This is horrible. Look at that tear out. That's done. If that's a finished piece of wood that you needed for your job, you'd be fired in a second. That's horrible. So you see what happens when we use the spade bits and we go straight through the 2x4s. For the sake of this video, we're using these scrap 2x4s, but this tip I'm about to show you should work with all building materials, all types of wood, even something as delicate as this oak. So we have a brand new piece of 2x4, but I'm gonna show you the technique to get a perfect hole with any one of these spade bits, even the cheaper, lesser Walmart brand. Watch this tip. So first off, we want to mark where the hole is going to be. So we're going to take our tape measure. We're going to come, let's say, 2 inches down. We're going to make a mark. And we're going to measure how far in it is. So it looks like we're about 6¼ inches in. We're going to make another mark. Then what we're going to do is we're going to come to the other side and make the same marks on the other side. So we're going to start drilling our hole on the visible side of our material, on the finished side, the side that is facing out, the side that everyone's going to see the finished product on. Put your imagination thinking caps on and pretend this is a finished cabinet. We need to drill a perfect hole. There's going to be no tear out. Watch what happens. We start drilling. Okay. Maybe a little further. Keep going. That's it. So I'm going to leave you guys on this side, but I'm going to go to the other side to finish this hole. It's going to be beautiful. Imagine our cabinet's going to have a perfect hole in it. Remember, we have our mark on our other side. Look at that, Jack. How about that hole? This is the technique. This is the tip. Never drill straight through. You'll blow out your hole. But I'm going to show you an even quicker, faster way to do this with a lesser style spade bit, a Walmart spade bit, in fact. What we're going to do is we're going to come and make our mark on the unfinished side of the cabinet. So we're inside the cabinet, we're not doing the face side. We're making our mark for our hole on the unfinished side. So we have our mark. We have our Walmart Spade Bit 3/4 inch in our drill. We're gonna start our hole on the unfinished side. Watch what happens. This is the quicker way. So if you could see on the other side, the Walmart drill bit point is poking out of the face. We're gonna remove our drill bit. It's made our mark for us. So now you can see over here, we have a perfect hole, a perfect set. We don't have to mark both sides. It's quicker, faster, easier. And we're gonna have a perfect hole. Watch this. So we're gonna set our drill bit to the hole. We're gonna start our drill. Look at that hole. Perfect. No tear out at all. That is a clean, perfect hole in our cabinet. On any type of wood, any type of building material, hardwood, softwoods, this will work. You let the drill bit make your mark for you, and there you go. And this is with the Walmart bit. This is with the Walmart Spade Bit. Let's do it one more time. And as you can see, once again, the Walmart Spade Bit has made our mark for us on our finished side by using this tip. We're gonna go right into the mark, start our drill bit, and we're gonna have a perfectly clean, perfect hole. Half and half. Remember that, half and half. Look at that hole, it's absolutely perfect. There's no tear out. Well, there you go. That's the tip to get a perfect hole through building materials, through your wood, through your cabinets. Start your bit on the unfinished side, let just the tip poke through so you have your mark on your finished side where you don't want the tear out. Then come to the other side, the finished side, and start drilling again. You'll get a perfect hole with no tear out. That is the way to use a spaddle style bit when making a hole. Do not go straight through. Well, everybody, I hope this video helped you learn a valuable tip when drilling through wood using a spade style bit. Even a cheap spade bit like this Walmart Hyper Tough bit will work just as good, sometimes even better than this high priced Bosch Daredevil spade bit. And that's the secret, that's the tip. Share it with your friends, share it with people who need to learn this. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate you guys being here. I'll see you all in the next one. Have a great day. Peace out.
Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here. See you later.